Hello everyone and welcome to your Rayplicker tutorials. Today we are going to see how to create a simple and a group order. Let's go! Now that you have set up your account, go to your patient file. You have two options. You can either place a single order or a group order. The difference is in the type of items you want to send. To create a single order, you can only send shade elements. When you mouse over your shade elements, different actions are offered. You can export the shade, order it, or delete it. By clicking on the Order button, you are offered three choices. Either you can cancel the action, order while opening Borea Connect, or order without opening Borea Connect. By checking the box Save this choice, the software will no longer ask you for this action and will do it automatically. To create a group order, you will have to check the elements you wish to send to your dental technician. You will need to send at least one shade, but you can add several shades, photos, and even 3D files. Once you have completed your order, press the button on the top right and open the order on the Borea Connect. You will then see an order form that you will have to fill in which you will find the different elements added. To help you fill out this order form, we have created a dedicated tutorial with the same name. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for listening and see you soon for new tutorials.